Typewriter poem is a poem written on the spot on a typewriter about anything that anyone wants. I'm Kathy Thorne, a typewriter poet and a lover of people. When they stumble onto me sitting there with the typewriter, their first reaction is often, "What is this?" I think people love words, and they certainly love a typewriter. I take the words that people share with me and I turn them into something poetic. The thing that's special about a typewriter poem is that it's not just a poem. It's a moment shared where that particular moment is witnessed, presented back to the people I sit down with.